YouTube? Joshua here with SaltyScales.com. Good morning. Okay, so it's been a rough start. Got the boat hooked up. We got Jess, Chris, Steph, everybody here this morning. We're headed to Homosassa. First, we're gonna go get some breakfast, but we are gonna go dive for oysters. Just kidding, scallops. And I really wanted to find some pearls, but these guys, they're hooked on these scallops, so we're gonna go do that. Should be a whole lot of fun. We didn't get a lot of sleep last night. My baby got a cold and she could not breathe. Every 30 minutes she was waking up squalling. And Chris and Jessica stayed over last night and they got to hear my baby.
Oh, I love hearing babies.
I think it almost influences them to want to have a baby. So, I don't know. They might have a baby soon.
Quite the opposite.
No.
I think Jess is really feeling an urge, you know,
Baby fever?
to have a baby boy or something.
No.
Name him Joshua. But I don't know. I don't know. I just work here. So, hey, look where we're at.
Welcome to Bob Evans.
Welcome to Bob Evans. Whoa, wow, they put a whole new parking lot back here. That's nice. All right, guys. Well, stay tuned. We should have some fun, and I'll keep you updated on baby Joshua. What's going on, YouTube? Just made it down to Homosassa, guys. 2-hour drive for us, but that's all right. We're excited. We are ready to roll. Getting the boat prepared. We're gonna get some scallops today. Scallops!
He's just letting his boat go.
Yeah. That's a little nerve-wracking over there. How you feeling, Steph? You tired?
Tired. But I'm excited.
We're still gonna have fun.
Yeah.
First time Josh and Stephanie's scalloping. It's also my first time, I guess you could say. Yeah. On the bottom.
Dangerous out here.
Ride in the storm.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold too. It's the Great Black Wall. What's going on? So we are at the end of our day and we're out here shucking oysters. We got Jess, Chris, and of course Stephanie. And Jess, she is a professional. If you haven't heard, this is Chris's girlfriend, future wife, baby mama, whatever you want to say. She is a professional oyster or professional scallop diving queen, shucker, and she's going to show you right now how to do it.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to shuck a scallop. I prefer spoons because they go along with the contour of the scallop. You're gonna run it along the inside edge of the scallop, scrape all the meat off that side, throw it away. You're gonna take it, and you're gonna run it along, get all the eyes and the guts unstuck from the shell. Then all you have to do is gently peel it off. And then scrape it off, and there's your scallop.
That is beautiful.
That was honestly such a great little scallop to shuck.
That
Where's
was
the back?
Alright guys, I want to show you a ritual that I have for every dive that we do. In this case it was snorkeling, but I still wear my booties.
No!
Oh, there's no water in that one. Hold on.
And you don't know how bad
We got plenty of water on this
how
one.
bad his feet stink, guys. That is so. Oh. So we've been shucking for a while. It's really not too hard either, you know. I thought it'd be a little bit more complicated to get the guts off of the meat, but it really isn't too bad. And you don't want to waste it. Look at that beautiful little piece of meat there. Take your spoon, make sure you don't miss anything. Oh yeah, get it. Boom.
Good all.
All right, so they say that there's a ritual here that your first time scalloping, you got to break one of these open and do a shot. Chris happened to be with me this time, so he gets to join me. So cheers.
Yum. I taste seawater.
Well, I taste it.
I taste a bunch of seawater.
It honestly don't taste bad though. All right, that's what we're gonna eat. Let's go.
Oh.
I mean, it wasn't terrible. A little salty.
Yeah, I still got
not
mine
too
in my
bad.
mouth.
Chris,
Tastes like
swallow
salt.
it.
eat that. Look at Chris, guys. That thing is gross. Chris just swallowed a load. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. We're gonna wrap this up. And since it's my birthday, we're celebrating my birthday, we're gonna go get
tastes like seawater.
some steak and some
It's not good.
seafood. Who else? Who knows what else?
Ugh.
Maybe I'll go watch a movie and relax a little bit.
Ugh.
Nice to take a minute away from the business and the kids and just relax. Now we are back at the palace, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare garlic butter scallops. Now this is my first time actually catching scallops, but this is not my first time eating scallops, and I got a good recipe for you. It's very simple, but it is delicious. But I'm missing something. Much better. Now we can get to cooking. So some of the things that you're going to need for this particular recipe is some fresh lemon, some beautiful fresh scallops, black pepper, some kosher salt, garlic, and of course yummy butter. First things what you want to do is go ahead and preheat your pan. Get it medium-high heat. Should do the job just fine. You'll see me do it in a lot of my recipes, especially now that I'm going to be doing more of these catch and cooks at your request. I love to soak my fish or any fish in like marinade of some sort or a concoction of some sort to help remove the fishy taste. In this particular instance, I just used whole milk, put some ice cubes in, and stuck it in the refrigerator. Do that for an hour or two, and it'll just make it taste that much better. You'll also see me do that with lemon. But mainly lemon and milk are the two things, the two liquids that I use. So first things first, go ahead and pull your scallops out of your milk, and then what you want to do is just place them on a paper towel. They are so pretty. They are gonna be delicious, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And these little suckers were spunky. You should have seen them trying to dart away from me as I was trying to catch them. Had a lot of fun, guys, doing this. If you ever get the opportunity to go scalloping, a perfect family event, so you could get the family together as long as you could swim, get in that 4 to 6 foot range, and have an absolute ball. So anyway, what I did was I went ahead and laid out my scallops here, and what I do is fold over. I just have a few napkins layered. Go ahead and just literally soak up the excess moisture from the milk and the ice. Just simply pat them up, and you'll see them here. Kind of flatten them out, fluff them up a little bit, throw them right in here with their little buddies. So the ones you see in here previously, I'd already done that just for you guys, so that way I'm not wasting a bunch of your time showing me beating up on scallops. But look at that, guys. My goodness. Alright, so you're going to need 6 tablespoons of butter. And what you want to do, I just got this stick butter here. You want to go ahead and just start coating your pan here. I got a big old iron skillet that my wife uses, and she absolutely loves this thing. But it weighs like 300 pounds, so you're going to need a few men to help lift it and get it up on the stove. No, but all seriousness, you get an intruder in your house, you whack them with this sucker, they aren't going to get back up. That's what I tell her anyway. If you can't get to the gun, get to the pan. A nice sizzle is what we're looking for. Like I say, this is for about a pound of scallops, guys, so 6 tablespoons of butter is all you need. Alright guys, so these are going to cook very quick. We're searing these, so ideally you want them to lay on their sides. And you got to do it fairly quick because they are going to cook fast. So the aroma is gorgeous. Ooh, that pan's hot now, boys and girls. Now we're going to turn down the heat a little bit because she is going crazy. I don't want to overcrowd your scallops, so that looks pretty good to me. I'm just flipping them, guys, and what I'm doing is using just a simple spoon. They roll pretty easily. Kind of. If you find yourself struggling, you could take them off the heat, like if you think you're going to burn them. So Or you got too many of the flips, just remove the pan off the heat, put it over to the other burner. You'll be alright for a few minutes. Alright, so once you sear them, and it usually only takes a couple minutes, guys, go ahead, take your spatula, put these babies right on a plate. Woo, roly little suckers. Slimy little babies. They'll get away from you if you ain't careful. I mean, there, guys, it does not take any time to cook scallop, especially nice, juicy, fresh ones that have not been frozen. And it smells like sweet nectar, and I am the bumblebee. You need 2 cloves of garlic. So I've already cut one up for you. So here's the other one. Recommend a good cutting knife. Go ahead, flatten it down a little bit. And then what you want to do is just a fine chop. Alright, your fresh scallops, guys, go ahead and put them into your hot pan. I know you just took them out, but you want to act fairly fast. What we want to do is go ahead and dump our 2 cloves of garlic. Now we're making our concoction. Alright, squeeze your lemon. I got half a lemon. Oh yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And then what we want to do is go ahead and cut off the remainder of our butter. Luscious recipe. What we're going to do is stir that all in, guys, and let it simmer. Turn down your heat to low and just let this baby simmer all together. And you want to talk about heavenly. Look at these golden little nuggets. If you want more lemon, if you want it to get a little bit more zest, add more lemon. And you can experiment with that. Sprinkle a little salt and a little pepper to taste. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is the real deal. You ready? If I could give you a bite, I would. That is delish. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. Comment below, subscribe, turn on them bell notifications. I hope you enjoyed this content, our first time ever scalloping, and of course, this beautiful recipe. Until next time, I'll see you on the water.